Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you, is TikTok back up? Yes, TikTok is currently back online in the US. TikTok was temporarily taken down on January 18 in the year 2025 due to law that requires its Chinese parent company called ByteDance to sell its US operations or face a ban. However, President Trump intervened and announced plans to issue an executive order that delays the enforcement of the ban and provides legal protections to companies that support TikTok during this period. The decision allowed TikTok to restore service to US users shortly after. President Trump also signed two executive orders that extend the deadline for ByteDance to divest TikTok's US operations. And the first extension was signed on January 20 in the year 2025, and the second extension was signed on April 4th, which further delayed the deadline by an additional 75 days, bringing the deadline to June 19 in the year 2025. These actions have temporarily kept TikTok operational in the US, though its long-term status remains uncertain, pending the outcome of ongoing negotiations and potential divestiture. So that is basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.